Welcome back to Big Eyes Kitchen. Y'all, I am going to show you how to make my favorite dessert. That is banana pudding. Let's go. All the ingredients are here and it'll be in the description. So, let's get to it. All right, first thing you want to do is take your Jell-O vanilla pudding and add it into a bowl. Y'all, I love banana pudding so much. We're gonna do 2 of them, Because you can never have too much banana pudding. All right, so you do your next one, and you put that in the bowl too. The next thing you're gonna do is 3 cups plus 3 cups equals 6 into this mix, all right? So you wanna do 3 cups of whole milk. If you do that 2% milk, it's gonna be thin. And don't nobody want no thin banana pudding, all right? So now, I started with 2 of them because you wanna go ahead and start whisking. Now, as you can see, it's thick. So you wanna go ahead and add 4 more cups. 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so once you add your 6 cups, you get to stirring. So as you're stirring, you wanna make sure there is no more yellow powder in your bowl, okay? The next thing you wanna do is actually let the pudding sit by putting it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to an hour, okay? So the next thing that you wanna do is get your whipped cream cheese spread, y'all. I'm telling you, this is what you call some goodness, all right? So you wanna get about an 1/8 ounce of this. You wanna put this in a bowl. I mean, get it all, Oh, it smells so good. I ain't gonna lick this. I ain't gonna taste this while y'all watching, okay? All right, the next thing you wanna do is get you some sweetened condensed milk, and you wanna add it in there with your whipped cream cheese, okay? Y'all, woo! Y'all see that? You wanna put the whole can of sweetened condensed milk. All right, it's 14 ounces in there, okay? And once you do that, you're gonna stir. What you thought you was gonna do, Y'all, this smells so good. Y'all, but we about to take it to the next level, The next thing you're gonna do is do 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And you just get to stirring. Y'all, it ain't over. It ain't over. Because what we wanna do is add some of that whipped cream into this so it can be fluffy. You want it to be fluffy, okay? You need some fluffy banana pudding, all right? All right. Just, y'all, you know I don't measure. I'll let the Holy Spirit tell me. And he said, stop. Now, what you want to do, you don't want to stir this. You want to fold this into the mix, okay? Because we don't want that whipped cream to lose its fluffiness, okay? Y'all, fold. You're gonna fold. All right, y'all, it's been 30 minutes. I can't wait an hour, okay? Because we gotta get this banana pudding back in the refrigerator. So the next thing that you wanna do, you wanna add that creamy whipped goodness into the actual pudding, okay? So that's what we're about to do. Ooh. Oh my God. Oh my God. So y'all, you need to scrape all of it out of there. Why? Now, go to work. All right, y'all. Here is the moment of truth. We get to put all this together. Y'all, we done whipped all this goodness together. So you have the pudding, the whipped cream cheese. That's what it's called, huh? Along with the sweet condensed milk. Y'all, let's build this banana pudding. All right, so the first thing you wanna do, you wanna lay that bottom with some cookies. All right, some vanilla cookies, whatever you wanna do. You wanna layer the bottom of it with cookies, okay? You wanna go ahead and spread those out. All right, so once you got your glass bowl, whatever you're using, whatever you have in your house, once you got that filled, what you wanna do is get your bananas. Now, y'all, don't y'all get no green bananas. You need the bananas with the freckles on them, okay? They got to have freckles. You don't, if you come up in my house with green bananas, you're gonna get put out, all right? You got to have the bananas with the freckles on them. Say it with me. Freckles. All right, y'all. Like I said, this is banana pudding. I'm gonna put a lot of bananas. Some people don't like it. You know what I'm saying? You do it to your liking, But it's in my house. Me and my house, we're gonna have a lot of bananas, okay? So I just go ahead, cut off the top. You just get to cutting. You just get cutting. You just get cutting. You can go as thick, you can go as small as you want to. 3 or 4 bananas at the bottom because we're gonna do 2 layers on here. So, with that being said, just keep cutting your bananas. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna put some pudding on the bananas and the wafers, okay? All right. I'm talking about go ham. Y'all, you see that? Ooh-wee! Y'all, there's so much pudding. You wanna keep going. Now, what you wanna do is start over. But this time, you gotta have cookies. You gotta have cookies and more cookies and more cookies, all right? You crush them. I'm talking about you get mad. You get mad, okay? And you wanna crush them. Uh-oh, you don't crush too much. But you want this makes sure, this ensures that you have cookies in every bite, just like your bananas on the bottom, y'all. This is just the second layer, okay? Y'all, this is what your second layer needs to look like, all right? What do you do next? You add some more freckled bananas, okay? Y'all, I'm telling you, this thing is packed to the max. It looks like Frosted Flakes, okay? But it's not Frosted Flakes. All right, y'all, I'm not playing. Stack your banana pudding with a whole bunch of bananas. The next thing you want to do for this last, you put the pudding on top. Okay? All right, almost done. So the next thing is just put a last layer of pudding on top. It is overflowing, and that's what we want. Especially if you're gonna be feeding a whole bunch of people like I'm gonna be feeding my friends on my birthday. Once you have that last spread of pudding on top, you're gonna take your bananas, you're gonna take your wafers I made, and you're gonna crunch. And you're gonna make it look so good over here. You can put whole cookies up there, you can put half ones. Y'all make it look nice and edible. Y'all, after that, you're done. But the next thing you wanna do, you wanna put this in the refrigerator overnight. You got to hold off from that craving. But it's better overnight because all the cookies get soft and the bananas and everything just mixes together. But if you can't hold out, at least put it in there for an hour to 3 hours, all right? So I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator.
The next day.
Y'all, ooh, that's banana pudding, you hear me? That's That's that nana pudding. Hi, y'all. It's time to taste the nana pudding, okay? 1 second to get you a plate and a spoon. And we're gonna go to the corner. Ooh. Y'all, it's been sitting overnight. Ooh-wee. Ooh. Y'all, I got that corner. Look at there. Ooh, all the cookies and all the, ooh. Ooh. Cheers. The cookies are soft. The cookies. Y'all, it's a banana in every taste. I told you. Y'all, look at here. Y'all, make this recipe. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Y'all, watch the next video. Be sure to like and subscribe and come back to Big Eyes Kitchen next week. Bye-bye.